My name is Grant Kernan. I'm the CEO and president of Newell Coach here in Miami, Oklahoma. Newell Coach is the premier leader of custom luxury motorhomes in the United States, really could be in the world. In order to do that, we've designed over the 60 years we've been in business, we've designed a unique manufacturing process that allows us to deliver one-of-one custom motorhomes for our customers in a very efficient manner, and one that really pushes quality through the entire manufacturing process. So the Coach starts, unlike any other manufacturer today, the Coach starts in our weld shop. We're the only manufacturer around that is still building coaches from the ground up. Everybody else uses a Prevost chassis or a motor coach or a truck chassis. We begin from square tube steel. Our welders begin with jigging. They weld it up using the latest technology. We install axles all the way from Germany. After that's finished up, the whole chassis gets a thick protective paint before it's pushed into our parts assembly area. Parts assembly is the location where our drivetrain is installed. We've got the Cummins 605 iX engine along with an Allison transmission, provides a tremendous amount of power. So it's in there. We put the slides on the chassis and finish up welding all the custom fuel tanks, put in all the water bays, black and fresh. And when it finishes there, it's actually a driving vehicle. So we get a steering wheel put on it, and from then on out, it powers itself through the rest of the manufacturing process. After the parts assembly goes in the skin line. Skin line is really our metal fabrication center of excellence. So that starts with putting our fiberglass end caps that are welded onto the chassis. And then we begin the skeleton structure, building out really the strength of that chassis. Our chassis has a total gross vehicle weight rating of over 63,000 pounds. Has a tremendous amount of payload, more so than anybody else out there. And actually, because of the way we build the chassis and the materials we use, it's got a 25,000 pound rating on the hitch, which is the highest in the industry. So after the body is completed, it rolls into our main assembly area. Our main assembly area is comprised of really two different areas. The first one is what we call the interior bays. And the work that's accomplished in those interior bays is the bulkhead walls are installed, the cabinet bases are installed, and it really begins to, when you go into the coach, you begin to see it's very similar to residential construction. So after the work that is done with those bays, they roll forward into what we call the fit and finish bays. And the fit and finish bays are really where the interior begins to take shape. All the cabinets are installed, all the flooring is laid, all of the wall systems with the luxurious upholstery that's been selected, all those things are installed, and our testing process begins at that stage. We're testing all the electronics to make sure they're working, all the plumbing systems to make sure there's working. All of the supervisors in that area have in-process checklists to make sure all the work that should have been done has been completed. The other thing I wanted to mention is each coach, as it's going along the manufacturing process, it has its own individual print that travels along. Our engineering team, after working with the customer, develops a set of build documents. Those build documents travel around as the coach goes through the manufacturing process. Those prints travel along. They're the key build document for all the technicians on the floor. That's the main point of reference. All these coaches are built by hand. And so we all use those prints as our main source for information for building the coach. After the coach leaves the fit and finish area, it goes to our paint shop. We've got an incredibly talented paint shop team. It spends over 3 weeks there with our paint team, going through all the different phases of paint, from prepping the body and sanding the body to the application of the primers, through all of the striping, the hand-done work, until at the end it pops out and it's this rolling piece of art that's ready for essentially final assembly and getting ready for the customer. So it comes out of there, it goes through another water test. That's the second water test we do to make sure that there's no penetrations throughout the whole structure of the coach. We start our quality test, so it goes on 3 different manufacturing rides. Each ride is specific towards testing a certain subsystem on the coach, whether it be the drivetrain, the electronics, plumbing systems, climate control, all of the different systems that are a part of that coach. So punch lists are created and that work is done. The coach then goes to a cut and buff where the entire coach goes through a cut and buff treatment. Ceramic coating is installed, and then we polish it up for the customer. We have a beautiful delivery bay, so when the customer comes here, we roll out the red carpet, really try to make a great delivery experience for the customer. And that's the manufacturing process of Newell. Very unique in the industry. You go to a lot of different other manufacturing facilities, and they're just not the same. I always tell people, and our sales team tells people, if we can get people to come to kind of see how these things are built and how they're put together, they'll never choose something else. So we're really proud of the manufacturing process. We got a great team in charge that does it, and we're always looking to improve it.